Hello and welcome, this is Subhasree and I'm back with my Sunday home decor video. Durga Puja, Dussehra followed by Diwali are round the corner. So Amazon's Great Indian Festival deals will likely start from 23rd September. Flipkart, Metre and all other top e-commerce sites will announce their festival sale date very soon. So from now on, you guys will see more and more unboxing and shopping haul videos in my channel cause I love online shopping. And I love to share product reviews in this channel so that my reviews can help you to take better decisions when you do online shopping of home decor and home furnishing items. So all you need to do is subscribe the channel if you haven't done it yet and hit the notification bell icon to get updates of all my new videos. So now let's start today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna share my recently purchased furnishing items like cushion covers, tablecloths, carpet, planters which are jute made, black in color and can be used on regular basis with very less maintenance. And I will be showing some of the items which I easily DIY'd for my dining table. So let's unbox all the items, and the first item of today's list is a set of 2 cushion covers. It's a combo of beige and black color and they are made of fine jute fabric. These are of regular 16-inch size and they have concealed zipper which is not visible, and that's why they are usable from both sides. And this comes from a renowned Amazon seller named as Yellow Weaves. I have been using their sofa covers and fridge covers from long, and that's why I know their products are of very good quality. These cushion covers are available not just in beige or black color, but they are available in blue or red color, and you will get a combination of multicolor or single color, pack of 2 or pack of 3. I have bought pack of 2 and it has cost me around 300 rupees. I'll be only using the base color for today's makeover because that is going good with the other 2 cushion cover that I already have on this sofa for today. Black and beige are the neutral colors and they are always my favorite, and see how instantly they add a elegance to the overall look. I'll provide the link of all these 3 cushion covers in the description box below so you can check it and pick it from there if you like this look. Next item is a beautiful abstract design floor carpet or dhoorie. This is not from Amazon, it's a Flipkart item. Generally, I only buy tech items like mobile speakers or laptops from Flipkart, as I had a bad experience buying home decor items from Flipkart long back. But I was looking for some big sized floor rug or floor carpet in black color which I can use for regular days in very low budget. And this item is exactly what I was looking for. I love the abstract print on this carpet because it goes perfect with the fabric I have on my sofa. This is thin chenille material with velvet touch, so it's easy to maintain and it's washable at home in washing machine. I am familiar with this chenille material because I have 2 more big sized dhoorie in brown color. As you can see, I have shown them in my previous video on brown home furnishing items. So I know that this kind of dhoories are durable and easy to maintain. These floor rugs are quite big in size. It's 5 by 7 feet and they cost around about 500 to 600 both in Flipkart or in Amazon. So they are the inexpensive way to add a gorgeous look to living room. Next item is a table cover for this round center table. It has a simple yet unique check design and it is made of pure cotton. And the best part is that it has cost me only 156 rupees. And amazingly, I found in Flipkart that even 4-seater big size tablecloths cost only 189 or 200 rupees. Now let's move to the next item of today's list. This is a black colored rectangular jute and cotton blend table cover for a 4-seater table, exactly matching to the jute cushion cover that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. The overall quality and finishing of this tablecloth is very impressive and it only cost 300 at Amazon. Now let me show you this product, which is silk in one side and velvet on the other. This is a 7 feet long table runner which can easily cover 7 to 8 seater table. And just look at its abstract black design. I have bought this table runner almost 8 to 9 months back, and I've shown this in one of my previous video also. I can show this product repeatedly because I just simply love this. It matches with my sofa fabric and the quality of this item is amazing. I have used this table runner several times in the last 8-9 months, but I have not yet washed it. And that is because I have always used PVC made transparent table cover on top of these tablecloth and table runner to keep them protected. And moreover, they are black in color, so even if little bit of dirt or dust is accumulated, it is not easily visible. So I highly recommend all these table covers, especially the silk and velvet made long table runner. So you guys can give it a try for your dining table. Links are given in the description box below. To make the table ready, let's skip some cloves, fennel seeds, pepper and salt, and this handmade beautiful cutlery holder. I have very easily DIYed this cutlery holder by using a broken cup, some cold drinks cans, and I have applied Fevicol on the lower part of these cans, and then I have simply pasted a jute ribbon which is easily available at Amazon. This kind of 2-inch wide jute lace or ribbon is available at Amazon in a pack of 2, and this comes from a seller named as Lucky Store. Apart from this jute lace or ribbon, I have bought some black macrame thread and jute thread from a seller known as Ajanta from Amazon. And I have also bought some beautiful jute made flowers from a brand named as Little Birdie, and I have simply pasted those flowers in this cutlery holder. Those jute ropes and macrame ropes I have pasted on CDs to make some table coasters like this. And for this big sized tray, I have used lid of the plastic food container in place of the CDs. Now let me show you this beautiful jute planter. This beautiful jute planter or storage basket is 6 by 6 inches with a black base. It is from a seller named as SR Creation Store, and it cost only 140 rupees. I have bought another same kind of jute planter which is bigger in size. It is of 10 by 10 inches. These type of jute planters can be used as storage baskets also. And this big size comes from a seller named as OASIS Store, and this cost around about 300 rupees. These are available in different colors and different sizes in Amazon, and therefore the price also varies depending on the size of the basket. Along with those jute planters, I have bought a jute doormat also to enhance the overall look. And I am very satisfied with this purchase. The quality is pretty good, the look is very unique, and the cost is 300 rupees only. All these jute products are hand woven, and therefore they add a fresh, natural look to the living space, and that is why jute products are always in trends. Now let me show you the last item of today's shopping haul. This is the 8th product, and this is a combo of a floor runner and a floor mat. This combo pack is of rupees 350 and they are made of handloom cotton material. Therefore, they are excellent water absorber and easily washable. This is from an Amazon seller named as Rounds. And I love to purchase this kind of combo products at a discounted price. So I have my jute doormat here at one corner with the jute planter. Then I have the floor runner in front of my fish tank. And I have the doormat which came as a combo product with the runner in front of our main entrance. So with all those 8 beautiful furnishing items that I shown you in today's video, my living room is fully decked up with black and beige, natural yet gorgeous look. So if you guys have also liked today's look of my living room, then please do like the video and leave your feedback in the comment section below. So with this is Subhasree signing off for today. I'll come back next week with another set of home decor and furnishing items. Till then, stay tuned to my channel and enjoy your week ahead.